Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to make dosa batter for crispy dosa. For that we need 1 cup idli rice or any short grain rice, half cup skinless black gram and half teaspoon fenugreek seeds. In a bowl, add rice. Now wash this till we get a crystal clear water and then soak in bowl full of water for 4 hours. In another bowl, add skinless gram and fenugreek seeds. Wash this very well and soak for 4 hours. Make sure you soak rice and black gram separately. First, let's blend black gram and fenugreek seeds. Drain all the excess water from this and add it in a blender. Next, add half cup water. Now, grind this into a fine paste like this and keep it aside. In the same blender jar, add rice. I have drained all the excess water from this. Add 3/4 cup of water and grind this very well. Like this. Combine blended rice and black gram batter together. This is done. Now we have to ferment this batter for 8 hours. So cover and keep this in a warm place. If you guys are staying in a cold place, then what you can do is switch on the oven light and keep this batter in the oven for 8 hours. It's more than 8 hours now. Let's look at the batter. You can see it has risen well. This is how it should look. I'm not going to use whole batter now. I'll take some batter and rest I'll store it in the refrigerator. We'll add some salt in the batter which I'm using right now. This batter is little thick to make dosa, so add 1 tablespoon of water and mix well. Perfect. This is the consistency we need to make dosa. So our crispy dosa is ready. I don't know if you can hear the sound. This has turned very crispy. You can make 14 dosas of this size with 1 cup of rice and half cup of black gram. Don't add salt or water in the batter which we are storing in the refrigerator. It's really very easy to make dosa batter at home. So everybody do try this and let me know your views in the comment section below. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Cooking Mojo.